Ever wondered why some variables look like this, others look like this, and some look like this? Let's break down the secret code programmers speak. Now, why do naming conventions matter? Code is for humans first, computers second. Good naming brings about readable code, while irreadable code brings about fewer bugs, less confusion, and fewer headaches later. Now, what are the naming conventions in programming? Number one, we have the snake case. It looks like this. It is often used in Python and SQL. How is it identified? It is easy to read because of the underscores. Number two, we have the camel case, also known as lower camel case. It looks like this. It is common in JavaScript and Java. How is it identified? First word lowercase, each next word capitalized. Number three, we have the Pascal case, also known as the upper camel case. It looks like this. It is used for classes in many languages. How is it identified? First letter of each word always uppercase. Number four, we have the kebab case. It looks like this. It is mostly used in web development. How is it identified? It is easy to read just like snake case, but because of the hyphens this time around and not underscores. Number 5, we have the screaming snake case, also known as constant case or macro case. It looks like this. It is primarily used for defining constants, global variables, or macros in programming languages to signify their immutability and importance. How is it identified? Just a snake case in capital letters all through. Number 6, we have the screaming kebab case, also known as upper kebab case or kobo case. It looks like this. It is used primarily for constant, configuration values, or macros in programming, signaling they are fixed and shouldn't change. Now, how is it identified? Just a kebab case in capital letters all through. Now, when do we use each naming conventions? The snake case, use it for naming variables and functions. The camel case, use it for naming variables, functions, and methods. The Pascal case, use it for naming classes. The kebab case, use it for naming CSS property names and HTML attribute names. The screaming snake case, use it for naming constant and environment variables. The screaming kebab case, use it for naming macros. A simple rule to always remember: don't mix different naming styles in the same file or project. Be consistent. If naming conventions ever confused you, now you're officially enlightened. Drop a comment with the naming style you've been messing up with. Be honest, alright? If this video made naming conventions finally click, like it, share it with a fellow coder, and subscribe for more straight to the point programming content. Bye guys.